Hello, fellow coders. Welcome to another exciting speed coding session. Today, we are going to tackle a must have in every developer's toolkit building a to do list app using React. Fasten your seatbelt as we sprint through creating a dynamic and responsive app in just few minutes. First thing first, make sure you have Node.js and npm installed on your machine. We will be working with React, so let's create a new React app together. Open your terminal, follow along, and let's get started. Okay, it's time to dive into the React. Watch closely as we speed code the core functionality of our to-do list app. We will handle adding tasks, marking them as completed, and even adding some cool features to make your to-do list management breeze. Now, let's give our to-do list app a sweet and more and people the great user experience. So, we will have some ways to make our app visual appearing and useful. And there you have a fully functional to-do list app built with React.js in few minutes. This app will help you stay organized and boost your productivity. If you enjoyed this speed coding session, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more coding adventures. Happy coding!